We are the company engaged in research and development, manufacturing and sales of X-ray equipment. We have a philosophy which is in the name of our company. We believe that protection of the statehood, protection of the people, this is the basics for everyone. I think we were participating almost very beginning when Intersec started in Dubai. The idea of Intersec is brilliant because all the competences in different sectors could add value into the development of strategies that will provide the safer future for the region. UAE is planning to be one of the safest countries in the world. I think we align with this target because our main goal is safety of the statehood and the nation, serves the country and help the country to develop further.